The Mercedes-AMG One, the Bugatti Chiron, and the Ferrari SF90 are the only vehicles that outperform this motor. Let's talk about it. And everybody discounts this engine because it's not a V8, but it actually lives within this Dodge. Of course, I'm talking about the 6-pack twin-turbo engine that produces 540 horsepower with only 3 liters. And I know what you're gonna say. It's not a muscle car because it's not a V8, and at its peak, the Hellcat produced over 1,000 horsepower. But let's not instantly discount it because this vehicle behind me produces more horsepower per liter than any vehicle out there. So much so that 108 horsepower per liter is only beat by the likes of Ferrari, Bugatti, and Mercedes. So let me know in the comments, is this still not considered a muscle car?